This is a small sound demonstration of dampened versus undampened surge cymbals. I have some surge cymbals. I have added a 5mm thick neoprene padding made by Evans called Sound Off. And I've made some DIY padding, a couple of millimeters thick padding used for padding drawers, actually, with neoprene with a thin layer of knurled plastic on top. So let's compare. This is the undampened cymbal. And the ride with no padding whatsoever. Quite loud. The padded cymbals. Quite a substantial difference. The hi-hat. Crash. And the other crash. The padded cymbals are in fact not much louder than the mesh heads, while the undampened cymbals are much louder. I've measured the difference in decibels to be about 8 decibel, but the most important thing is the timbre of the noise. This is a much more annoying, sharp sound than the dull clack from the padded cymbals. So, there you have it.